tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful dolphin shot. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. And if you are done watching the video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section. Stay connected. Okay, so before we get started with these tutorials, the materials we'll be needing for these tutorials are scissors, a tape measure, tailor's chalk, 1-inch elastic band, and then your materials. Also, the type of measurement you'll be needing is hip measurement 40, around thigh 24, short length 12 inches. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the hip measurement. Hip measurement is 40 inches divided by 4 will give me 10 inches. 10 inches plus allowance, 1 inch allowance, making 11 inches plus 1.5 for my crotch extension, making 12.5 inches, and then 0.5 inches for my ease. Okay, so making 13 inches. As you can see, we have the 13 inches here. Okay. So from the waist downwards, I'll mark 2 inches. That will be for my casing. That's for the elastic, 1-inch elastic band I'll fix at the waist area. 2 inches here. Okay, so I'll connect the 2 lines marked with my ruler like this. Okay, so from the waist downwards 2 inches. Okay, so what you're about to do next is to measure your short length. That's 12 inches plus ½ inch for my allowance, making 12.5. Same measurement at the other side, 12.5. Then I'll connect the point with my ruler. Okay, so the next thing to do is to measure from the actual waist to the hip area. That is 10 inches. Come here, 10 inches. Okay, so to my crotch line, I will have 11 inches, lucky 11.5 inches for my crotch line. 11.5 inches. I'll also connect those 2 lines with my ruler. Okay, so I'll mark my 1.5 here plus 1 inch allowance, making 2.5. I'll mark them here. I'll mark the same thing upwards, then I'll connect with my ruler. Okay, so when it comes to the crotch line, I'll just curve connecting to the hip line like this, then I'll cut out. That'll be all for the front. After cutting out, now you're about to take off the crotch marked like this. So this is what you'll be having. You're about to cut the back of this. Okay, so for the back, you're going to measure from the front crotch away 3 inches. Then from the waist away 2 inches. We raise it up 1 inch. Then we connect with the ruler like this, connecting to the side of the front short. So what we're about to do next is to extend the line down to the crotch this way. Then we locate our back crotch. We curve it so nice this way. Then we cut out. That's all for the back front. Sorry. Okay, so after cutting out the back as well, you divide the side and side into two. Same thing here. Okay, so after cutting out the back, the next thing to do is to shape our shorts like this. Then we cut out. So the next thing to do is to join the front and front together like this. Half an inch downwards to the crotch area. Then we join the back and back, the center back and back, half an inch downwards to the crotch area. Great. So after joining the front and front together like this, and then the back and back pieces together like this, what you're about to do next is to bind the edge of this shorts with our 1 inch bias to this end. Then we bind from this place to the waist area. Same thing to the front. We bind from the waist area to the crotch, and then we start from the crotch and then bind to the waist area with any preferred bias you want, like the color of bias you want. Yes, so after binding the edges of the shorts this way, and then the front parts also like this, what you're about to do is to place right sides of each together like this, and then stitch the crotch area half an inch, joining the front and then the back together like this, and then stitch it half an inch. After joining the crotch area half an inch, the next thing to do is to overlap the front onto the back like this, and then stitch downwards from the waist downwards 8.5 inches. So from the waist downwards, you're going to stitch to 8.5 inches, and then the same thing to the other side as well. After sewing the side and side of the shorts, the next thing to do is to fold in the waist area for our elastic casing. Fold in half an inch, then 1 inch for the 1 inch elastic casing all round. Okay, so our shirt is ready. After creating the case at the waist area and then inserting our elastic band, this is what you'll be having. So cute. So when you're done, you could see the back exceeds the front for like 1.5 here, and then 1.5 here too. So nice. Please, at this stage, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. Thank you all for watching the video, and I hope you enjoy these tutorials from me. See you all in our next video. Bye bye.